So this is the Roman Catholic Church built here at the Shepherd's Field. And so there's two churches in this area that are called Shepherd Field, the Roman Catholic one, and then there's a Greek Orthodox one. This is pretty cool here. Giving you the scripture. So this is the entry to the Roman Catholic Church. You're only allowed in here for 5 minutes. So. There's a tour group here. I'm going to wait till they pass. So. Oh, there's not much here. It's pretty simple chapel-like church. Okay. I'm going to head to the Orthodox one, which is supposedly a little more elaborate. This shepherd's house hotel is just beautiful. Look at those balconies. It's right in the heart of Beit Sahour, the Orthodox. And the Orthodox Church is right up on the hill there. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed. The Orthodox Church of, it's called Shepherd Fields Church, I believe. Up on the hill. Greek Orthodox, I believe. Shepherd's Field Church, but it appears to be closed. Unless there's another point of entry here. p.m. every day, except Sunday. Today's Monday, and it's not 3 p.m. So how do I get in? So you push this button, and then somebody comes and what, opens the door? Somebody open it? Pretty tight security here. It's beautiful church. I mean, my goodness. Tower, bell tower. Talk about security. This thing's locked up like a drum, even though it's supposed to be open until 3. My goodness, they got a wall that got barbed wire at the top of the wall. Definitely don't want anybody in. Phew, high walls too. It looks like a mini Jerusalem. To the walls, doors, but they're all locked up. Another one here. Now here's the main one down here. And nobody comes to the door when you ring the buzzer. Look at all this stuff for sale. Look, icons. You can't get in a church. What the heck? It's beautiful. I wish I could see it. Wow, it's really beautiful in here. Look at all these icons. Wow. Look at the marble floor, it's gorgeous. It's really dark in here though. But I have my phone camera's like amazing. It's iPhone 14. It really shoots in darkness like nobody's business. Look at that iconostas. Huge iconostas, beautiful. Wow. Dome ceiling with all icons painted. This is gorgeous. Beautiful icons. So this is the Church of the Shepherd's Field. It's beautiful. Jesus the King. King Jesus. That's one thing Orthodox do, is magnify Christ a lot. Beautiful church, oh wow, I mean just there's icons painted everywhere, every square inch. Even on the pillars. So nice. Interesting way it's set up, the nave and then the seating, like individual seats. For some strange reason, I'm the only person here. Literally. There's not even staff or workers or priests or other tourists. So I find that kind of weird. I mean, this is an incredible church, and it's right in the Shepherd's Field, place where, you know, people want to go. I don't know what, there's like some kind of area there that's like the ruins. I have no idea what that is. Looks like a bunch of rocks and walls that have been, you know, torn down or something. Probably is a remnant of something Roman or Greek. Probably during the time of the shepherds. Keep on just wondering why there's not more tourists here. Nobody's here. Amazing. The place is beautiful. Yeah, this is everything's in Greek, not Arabic. So this is a Greek Orthodox as opposed to the Arabic Orthodox that I've been seeing around town. Palestinian Orthodox. So, how am I going to get out of here? Maybe I'll push that button and it opens by itself. This is like, you know, I don't know whether they have, you know, nuns or monks, or not monks because it's not a monastery, but I wonder if there are people that live here. The bell towers look amazing too. Sort of not unlike a minaret, really, when you think about it. The bell tower at Christian churches are very similar to the minarets of Muslim mosques. Beautiful grounds too, you know. Trimming trees down there. Oh, there's people down there. Kids, anyway. This is like a nice little trellis grapevine kind of arbor. WC, that means there's a water closet or a bathroom down that way. Man, I'm not interested in that right now. So I'm gonna go back up this way and exit. Hopefully, I can get out. There's like a little door here. Or if I could just use that the door. Where do I push this? The bell. This looks amazing. Mammoth doors. So I'm out of here now. That was quite an experience. Beautiful church. Magnificent church. Oh, beautiful icons and prayer books and whatnot. But they're just sitting here. There's nobody here watching it. Anybody can come and take it. That's strange.